Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to get free local channels on a Vizio TV USA. Connect the cable to the TV and to the antenna connection on the wall or satellite box. Using your remote, press the settings button. With your remote, scroll through the menu using the circular wheel or arrow buttons, select TV channels, and press OK on the remote. Select Find Channels and press OK on the remote to start scanning for channels. The channel search will begin and may take a few minutes, with progress shown on the TV screen. Once completed, the channels will appear under Free Channels, and you can use your remote to browse and switch between them. TV screen. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.